The integration of artificial intelligence and smart technologies in nursing, transforming patient care and clinical decision making. Kano Nurses Midwife Connect 2025. Dear nursing colleagues in Kano, Nigeria. When I stood on my balcony room that summer evening before leaving for the UK, I was filled with the hope for change. Today, as I share this knowledge with you about AI in healthcare, I'm filled with the same sense of hope and possibility. But this time it's not just about personal transformation, it's about how collective power to shape the future of nursing, midwifery, and healthcare through AI innovation. Let me be clear, you are not nurses and midwives who will use AI. You are a pioneer who can create, shape, and lead AI innovation in healthcare. Hello and nice to meet you all. I am Dina Paoloni. I'm an international educated nurse living and working in UK, United Kingdom. I am a career coach for international nurses, NHS AI Ambassador, clinical nurse specialist, entrepreneur, leader, and author. I am the Regional Director Europe for Nurses in Charge. It is an absolute privilege being here at Kano Nurses and Midwife Connect 2025, able to talk about AI progressing in nursing. And I would like to extend my gratitude to Abu Kabar Umar Mohod for reaching out to me and invite me as a keynote speaker. Kano is recognized as the business heartbeat of Nigeria, or northern Nigeria, great commercial center of West Africa, celebrated for its vibrant entrepreneurial spirit. I'm not here today to lecture you on how to capitalize on AI. I'm here as a career coach to spotlight the opportunity AI brings to healthcare and nursing. Opportunity to improve patient care and generate sustainable wealth. As the only female speaker at this event, I want to emphasize something crucial. Diversity in AI development isn't just a nice to have. It's essential to creating a solution that works for everyone and that reflect data accuracy and representation. Data which is the foundation of science and technology. I usually talk about nursing career in AI in a workshop that lasts 3 days. So today I'll do my best to give you a glimpse, an eye-opening, we can say that, on this matter in 15 minutes. So here to the objective for my intervention. What are smart technologies and why they are important? How you can implement AI with your own nursing knowledge? New emerging nursing roles in AI? The global landscape in AI revolution? 10 ways AI can transform healthcare and nursing in Nigeria. How to get started. Let's start by understanding AI. Let's break it down to basic. Many think that AI is something magical, all-knowing system that will fix everything and every problem and will replace nurses and midwives. But here's the truth. AI is simply a language model, a tool, a sophisticated pattern recognition system that learns from data. Think of this like a nursing student. It can only apply what it has learned from the textbooks. The nurse student indeed learn from word written in a paper that some experienced nurse wrote for them. This word indicates human physiology, pathology, and the science and heart of nursing. So the student nurse will translate this word into concept and then in a knowledge. We can in fact say that this word represent training data. Each group of words represent a concept, as well as group of data represent data sets. To make it simple, each data set is the language model, is a concept. Here's what you need to understand. The machine learning model is the capability of artificial intelligence to recognize patterns in the architecture of data sets, analyze them. AI learns from pattern in data, just like the student nurse does with their book. It makes prediction based on these patterns. The more data it has, the better prediction it gives. There is no such a thing as AI that can predict something perfectly. It depends on the data available. AI is a tool for enhancement. not for replacement. The basic understand is your first step toward becoming an AI creator, not just an user. And yes, you heard me very well, an AI creator. So let me explain further. When we talk about language model in AI, we're talking about systems that understand and generate human-like text. But here what makes it powerful in healthcare. They can process vast amount of medical literature. They can identify patterns across thousands of patient records. They can help standardize medical documentation. They can assist in clinical decision making. But remember, these models are only as good as the data they train on. This is where you come in because you insert data in the system. So the more you do your job, the more valuable data we got in the system. Let me ask you something. How many times you have thought this system will work better if they have just asked as a nurse? This is exactly why we need nurses involved in AI development. As nurses, you understand the real challenge in patient care. You know what is needed and how to improve quality of care. The workforce of healthcare delivery, you understand what are real challenges and the root of the cause of these challenges. The cultural nuance of your community, how to translate them in technology that represent everyone and does have behind anyone. Because you, nurse, know your patient better than anyone else. The practical limitation of technology in your nursing setting. As you are a healthcare professional, update to the latest guidance as per your scope of practice, you know what is needed. This knowledge is invaluable in AI development. You don't need to be a programmer to contribute to AI creation, neither implementation. Also, because nowadays there are software able to generate code from text. You need to be exactly what you are, a nurse with frontline experience. If a more complex code is needed, no worry, you can partner with a technician to develop the technology. However, you remain the creator who instructs the technician on what is needed. Here's something crucial we need to discuss. There's often misalignment between what technology companies think care needs and what we, nurses and midwife, actually need on the ground. This is what we call the semantic misalignment. Think about it. Tech company creates solution looking for the problem. Healthcare professional face problems, they need solution. The gap between this perspective creates inefficient tools. The disconnect between tech designers and frontline reality often lead to tools that miss the mark. Time and again, we see hospitals adopting cutting-edge technology with the hope of saving time and money, only to find they've added more pressure on nurses and midwives, resulting in lower job satisfaction, higher turnover, burnout, and costly consequences. Nursing can bridge this gap with their practical knowledge, with their hands-off and experience. Nursing can really drive smarter AI solutions. Starting small with pilot programs, refining them step by step, one audit at a time, and implementing. By gathering real patient data, analyzing outcome, and adjusting accordingly, nursing can ensure AI serves both care quality and the workforce. This is why your involvement in the AI development is so crucial. You understand both the science of healthcare and the practical reality of patient care. What if I tell you that you can create your own AI tool? It's actually very simple. Just follow the steps. Identify a specific challenge in your work. Start by observing recurring issues that slow down care, cause stress, or put patients at risk. Pinpoint one problem that, if solved, will make a noticeable difference in daily workflow or patient outcomes. Document the process and data point involves. Write down each step of how you currently manage challenges and note what data is collected or should be. Understanding the process in detail is crucial for building AI that mimics or enhance what you do. Collaborate with tech professionals. Reach out to AI developers, data science, or even university tech students interested in healthcare innovation. Your real world insights are gold to them. Together, you can design solutions that are grounded in reality, not just theory. Test and refine a solution. Pilot the tool in small control settings to see what works and what didn't tweaking. Don't aim for perfection one day. Gather feedback from users, track results, and adjust until it truly supports care and reduces workload. Always respecting ethics and human rights. And finally, scaling solution globally. Share your innovation with the global community. Once your AI solution is effective, share your findings through conferences, articles, or professional network. Your work could inspire and help other nurses facing similar issues in other parts of the world. By contributing to the global dialogue, you raise the profile of nursing innovation and position yourself as a leader in the digital transformation of healthcare. Let's talk about economic opportunity. Countries like UK, US, and China are investing billions in healthcare and AI. But here what makes this exciting for Nigerian nurses. You can identify unique local healthcare challenges, develop solutions that are culturally appropriate, create tools that can be replicable globally, and draw investment into your country through innovation. Remember, innovation often comes from understanding local needs and creating solutions that can scale globally. This is crucial. The success of an AI system depends on the quality of its data. We say that as nurses, you need to understand the importance of accurate documentation. Remember, the student nurse will learn from the textbook. If the information are wrong, student nurse will learn wrong things and won't be able to provide an effective nursing care. So as a nurse, you have put in the system the right data so that the AI system can learn from the right data. How to identify, record the relevant patient information, diversifying and understanding data points. The significance of understanding different patient groups for better data representation. And how cultural factors influence data collection, making patient comfortable enough in sharing their health concern. Match woman with a woman nurse, if it's possible. Think of data as the foundation of AI. Just like accurate vital signs are the foundation of good practice care. The integration of AI in healthcare is creating exciting new career opportunities. AI nurse specialist, digital health consultant, clinical AI training, nurse educator, AI specialist, where AI embedded in virtual reality, coaches and mentor, AI specialists. So I talk about this role extensively in my workshop. Unfortunately, I have no time to talk about them here. Let me just say that this role combines our nursing expertise with technological innovation, creating new career pathway and opportunity. As we embrace AI, we must ensure it serves our core mission, providing compassionate, effective patient care. This means maintaining human connection in technological and enhanced care. Ensuring AI solutions are accessible and equitable, easy to access by all group and subgroup. Protecting patient privacy and data security, using AI to enhance, not replace, human judgment and human touch. So now I'll give you a point that you have actualized since today. Start with understanding. Learn the basics of AI through online courses. My workshop, for example, gives a clear understanding of nursing future and what is the nursing career trajectory. Join healthcare technology forums. Connect with other nurses interested in AI. Document your insight. Keep a journal of healthcare challenges that could be benefit from AI. Record pattern you notice patient care. Note cultural consideration that affect care delivery. Build connection. Network with technology professionals. Join healthcare innovation groups, entrepreneurial groups. Share your idea in a professional forums. And take action. Start small with process improvement projects. Collaborate on existing AI initiatives. Propose solutions to your healthcare facility. As we look to the future, remember this. AI will not replace nurses. For nurses who understand and use AI, we replace those who don't. So you have the power to shape how AI is implementing in healthcare, ensure technology serves patient needs, create solutions that work in your context, and lead the transformation of healthcare delivery. My fellow nurses, you are not just witness to the AI revolution in healthcare, you are the potential leader. Your experience, your insight, and your understanding of patient care are invaluable in shaping the future of healthcare technology. Remember, your frontline experiences is crucial for AI development. Your understanding of local healthcare needs is invaluable. Your perspective can help create a better healthcare solution. Your voice matters in shaping the future of healthcare. Don't wait for perfect condition or complete understanding. Start where you are. Ask questions. Be curious. Identify problems. Propose solutions. The future of nursing is being written right now by you. And you have the power to be one of these authors. Be open and be ready. As I always say, be open to a new mindset and ready to adopt it. Be open to a new way of looking at things and ready to understand. Be open to grow and be ready to change. Give yourself permission to be successful and believe in yourself. You are nurse's greatest power. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take today this step. Thank you very much.